Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the water conservation methods. As you know, water is very important for everyone because we cannot imagine life without water, and as you know that the source of water are limited and are reducing every year. That's why its conservation is essential. So today we will discuss about the water conservation methods. The first water conservation method is rainwater harvesting. It is a method by collecting water while it rains in tanks or at the roof of houses, etc. So that it may be used in future, like Rajasthan and MP people use this method. Next is improving underground storage. Improving underground storage. The surface water runoff can be minimized by having vegetation cover to improve underground storage. Next, the demand of water for industries can be made by the recycled water. The demand of water for industries can be made by the recycled water, as well as the demand of water for domestic can be used. We can use recycled water. The already used water can be reused for watering plant, flushing toilets, etc. So we can use again and again this water. Next, water can be saved by adopting modern methods of irrigation, such as drip irrigation, sprinkle methods of irrigation, etc., by which we can save the water. Next is by making dams. Already we have discussed about the multi-purpose river valley project. You know about the dams. By making dams can be impounded by making the rainwater can be impounded by making dams across the river. Now, water can be conserved by installing water fixtures. Water fixtures like sensor tape in public place. Next, maintenance of lakes and ponds. Maintenance of lakes and ponds also helps in increasing the increasing the water table of underground water. Last, by educating and sensitizing people towards the importance of water. We can educate the people about the urgent needs of conserved water and not to waste fresh water. So these are the few water conservation methods. My dear student, this question is very important. You have to learn and write down your notebook any 5 methods of water conservation. Thank you and have a nice day.